I'm going to teach you how to release shoulder tension and pain in less than a minute using a brush. This is all you do. First, feel on the shoulder, that anterior front, medial middle, posterior back. Feel it for tension. Then take the palm of your hand and brush. Make sure you get in the webbing. Make sure you get the knife edge of the hand. The knife edge. These are called fascia in acupuncture, those webs, right? This works because you have fine motor nerves in your hands, in your feet, in your ears, in your face, in your scalp. And they send messages very quickly to your brain, possibly to release muscle spindles or to encourage blood circulation. But whatever your brain needs in terms of feedback, that happens quickly, just like Korean hand therapy or Suji Chim. Keep brushing. You can go in circles. You can go fast. You can go slowly, whatever it is. Now go back to your shoulder. It should be a little bit more relaxed, a little bit less painful. If it helped you,